Granted, I always would warm up more for deadlift anyway. So.
Yeah, it's pretty sketchy. Hey.
The Hustle Standard. Battle tested. I'm taking this opportunity to clear this mess out of my head, to clear this blood out of my lungs. I need to dig holes to bury the dead. Look at yourself in the mirror and tell me what a man is without pride. Tell me what a man is without fire in his eyes. Tell me who the fuck you are.
Get it up. Get it up. Come on. 1. Tip it. 2. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You got this. 1. Come on. Here we go. 5. Get it. Up. Up. Up.
All over my face always ruins my chop.
Yeah.
Ugh. And then it's hard to hold on to it with that hand.